Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the essential components for the time machine frame and power core. First, craft a clock item and smelt iron while stacking redstone blocks. This creates the timing element and energy reservoir. Place obsidian for a stable frame base so the structure resists explosions and physics changes. Once done, set up your crafting table and furnace nearby. Make repeaters and a comparator because you'll need precise signal timing. Make sure to keep glass panes for the visual chamber walls. You now construct the redstone timing circuit that simulates temporal pulses. Start by completing the obsidian frame and installing glass panes for the viewing chamber. Next, arrange the comparator and repeaters into a loop. Set repeaters to 4 ticks to slow the pulse and create measurable intervals. Once done, attach the redstone blocks and route the line to the clock item display inside the chamber so the circuit visibly syncs with the clock. Make sure to test short pulses and adjust repeater delay to match desired rhythm. You finish by activating the machine and verifying that timing and visuals align. Flip the lever to energize the redstone loop and watch the clock item inside the chamber sync with each pulse. This confirms your timing is correct. If it doesn't run, inspect repeater orientation, comparator subtraction mode, and any redstone gaps. Small misplacements break the loop. Should things still misbehave, use pistons to tweak chamber spacing. Then reload the world after saving so changes take effect without corrupting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.